Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be decoupaging a star. It's about 8 inches tall, paper mache, and we're going to be decorating it using a technique called decoupage, which is applying special paper, decoupage paper, cut up into small pieces like so, and gluing them on using something like this, which is Decoupage varnish glue. Basically what it does is it adheres it to the paper mache star, and also you at the same time varnishing it as well, so it gives it a nice shiny protection over the top of it, much the same as the reindeer I've done here in a previous video. That was also a paper mache reindeer. So let's jump straight into it. Before we do that, if you could like, share and subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate that. It really helps support me. Let's jump into it. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to cover a portion of the star like so. Do both sides. Covering it quite generously, like that. Making sure we've got every nook, cranny and crevice, which we have now. So what we can do is we can start applying the paper now. So we're going to start at the top here. Start on the wrong one. Start at the top here and just wrap it round. Like so, and just go over it with some glue, and that helps adhere it to the paper mache star. And then we'll just come round, applying glue to every available area on the star. And moving on, get another bit of paper. And just keep doing the same, adding more glue, more paper all the time. Really, really easy. Just check to make sure you've covered every bit, which we have, and thin out the glue so that it doesn't dry with the thicker bits on it. And that's basically what you do. What I'll do now is I'll speed up the process by making a time-lapse video of me finishing off the decoration. Well guys, there it is, it's all complete. It looks really, really good. It took me about 40 minutes, I suppose, to decorate this entire star in the decoupage paper. So it looks really, really good, really effective, and will certainly be hanging up somewhere around my Christmas tree, I should think. Anyway, guys, if you like the channel, please like, share and subscribe, and leave any comments that you've got in the comment section below. I will reply. If you've got any questions or anything you want me to do, so leave a comment in the comment section and I will reply to it. Thank you very much for watching.
Good.